camera, you know?
You're on camera.
No!
Hi, this is Rosie.
Hi!
This is making guacamole. There it is in all its glory.
It actually, it sucks, but you know.
Nah, it was good. It's just tasting most strongly of lemon.
And salt.
And salt. But it's still good. We love it anyways. Okay. Sorry, yes, I'm acting strange. Moving onwards. Right, this is the library and dining room. You can see the table there. All our mailboxes where we would get handouts or stuff from the college. So everyone has one with their name on it. Mine is second from the end. Right there. Okay. More of the library. And there you can start to see the living room. There is Kendra in the armchair. Hi Kendra, you're on camera.
Hi.
Jenny on computer. Trevor on computer.
Yes.
He thinks he lives here. But he doesn't really.
She's just like,
Sorry. I just couldn't resist. You're always here. You left like 15 minutes before I went to bed last night. Okay.
to prepare, so I'm gonna hang her on.
Okay, that's Susan and Star
Yes.
and Emily.
Only male surrounded by all females.
A wise man recognizes when the field of battle is not in his favor.
Prudence is the better part of valor.
Anyways.
No, it's warm up. So.
Anyway, you can give us a call if you find out.